Now, why is financial planning important? One of the things that we struggle to do as humans is to take that next step in something that is difficult for us. Be it going to the dentist, going to the doctor, going to get your car serviced, all of those type of things. But I think money might be one of the most difficult things. We know that we have all got a relationship with money that stems from our childhood. We've all got hang-ups about money. We might feel scared to speak to someone and them to tell us no, but you're not in the position where you want to be. You might be thinking, I don't need a financial planner. I've got nothing. I only started working. That is exactly when you need a financial planner. And why am I saying this? I think it's so important for you to take that next step. Your financial planner is going to take your hand and build a roadmap for you. So, what do? They tell you this is where you are today, no matter what that picture looks like, good or bad. Where do you want to be in 5 years, in 10 years, the day you retire, maybe only in 35 years? What do you want to happen when you are not there anymore and you want to make sure that your loved ones are cared for? Your financial planner would be your accountability partner who's going to lead you along this path that you have set out. It is going to be reviewed every year to say what has changed. Maybe we need to adjust the route. Maybe there's a better one. Maybe my lifestyle has changed and I can afford something better. Maybe I'm going into a situation that I don't quite know how to deal with, but they will help me. They will be your accountability partner. They will be your mentor, your coach to help to keep you true to the plan that we're setting up. If you have a good financial planner and you build this relationship over years, this person will know you as well as your spouse knows you, and maybe a little bit more because we all know we don't always share everything with all the spouses. Having a financial planner is to put yourself in a position that you can have peace of mind over your finances. I always say, even if there is a problem, if you can just put a plan in place to say, this is how I'm going to get out of it, or this is how I'm going to approach it, you already feel better and you can sleep better at night. Even if you think to yourself, this is not for me, I don't want someone to speak to me about my finances, please just consider it. Go and have a look at our website, www.fbimymoney123. Go to find a financial professional and find someone in your area. Find someone that you can relate to. Find someone that can help you. And take that next step today. Your financial planner is the best advisor you will ever have if you build the relationship. Thank you so much, everybody. Go and check out our website.